In this lecture, we are going to see how to buy free hosting and domain for your new e-commerce site. Now, I will give you quick hints on pros and cons of these free hosting as well as domain. The first important benefit is that it's free, so you can use your money for other purposes such as for buying themes, plugins, or other extensions. You have the freedom to move anywhere else. That's the second benefit. Most of the hosting providers offer you 30 days or 45 days money back guarantee. But still, if you don't like their service, you will have to face lots of hassles before getting your money refunded. Once you try free hosting, then you will come to know what are the essential and optional features that you require on your next premium hosting. It's just like a trial period of any premium software. So, in general, it's better to start free and then you can move on to paid domains and premium hosting. Here comes the disadvantages. It's a usual practice for the free hosting providers to limit the set of features that you get with their free hosting packages. Also, they may display their own ads in your websites. The second thing is that they are not trustworthy. Just think for a minute, if your blog or e-commerce site is generating lots of traffic, it brings no benefit to the free hosting providers. Also, they even promise to give their free hosting packages 24/7 support. But in reality, that's not practically possible. So, you may have to face lots of support issues when you need them the most. But to learn e-commerce in WordPress, you don't need lots of feature sets or even support. Because I will be guiding you through the course step by step to build your new e-commerce site. That's why I suggest you to start with free domain and hosting. Once you learned the in and out of e-commerce in WordPress, then you can move to premium hosting as well as domain. Don't worry, I will guide you to get that too. Let's see which websites are the best in terms of free hosting as well as free domain. First, let's start with free domain registrars. Among the free domain registrars, Freenom is a very famous one. Here, you can simply enter your domain name without any extensions and check for its availability. I can get any of these domain names for lifetime, but Freenom may cancel, ban, or block my account for any untold reasons. That's the one thing you should care about when you are building a professional e-commerce site. So, we can use these free domains just for the purpose of learning. But when you are building your professional e-commerce site, start out with a premium domain. The second free domain registrar that we are gonna see is co.nr. You can get any domain name in the replacement of this word you. For example, if I type my name, then it will become arun.co.nr. If you are in India, then you can get your free domain as well as hosting from India Get Your Business Online, and the URL is gibo.hostgator.in. The only restriction is that you cannot build your custom WordPress website, which means you cannot build the e-commerce site that I am going to show in this course. Just for the sake of awareness, I am telling you this. Let's move on to free hosting providers. The following are the 6 best free hosting providers recommended by top web developers around the world. The names of the 6 best free hosting providers are as follows: Extend Hosting, Bayet Hosting, Howerbee Hosting, Free Hosting No Ads, Zymic, and biz.nf. I will just glance over the main difference between these 6 free hosting providers. Extend Hosting provides its private cloud hosting as well as a cPanel, from where you can install the WordPress in just one click. It also offers all-one-soft backup facility, which means if any mishap happens, then you can easily restore from any of those weekly or daily backups. It also promises 99.9% uptime and no ads. Free hosting no ads gives you free subdomain, so you don't need to use any of the free domain registrars that we have discussed before. Also, it offers 20 GB storage space and 200 GB bandwidth. Buy at Host. It promises no ads and offers 1 GB storage space and 50 GB bandwidth, 5 add-on domains and POC domains, which means you can add 5 domains as well as 5 subdomains. Buy at Host also offers 24/7 support, but we should take it with a grain of salt. The last option is biz.nf. Biz.nf offers only 250 MB storage space, which won't be enough for any of us. So just keep it at the last preference.